Hi everyone and welcome back for a new recipe. Today I'm sharing with you a Mexican-inspired flavor salad with healthy and delicious creamy avocado slice, grilled red peppers and a succulent grilled chicken thighs guilt-free. You will find the list of all the ingredients you need for this recipe in the description box. For the chicken marinade you will need 600 grams of skinless and boneless chicken thighs, 100 ml freshly squeezed lime juice, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander, 2 minced garlic cloves, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 3/4 teaspoon of red chilli flakes, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, and 1 teaspoon of salt. In a large bowl, add the lime juice, the olive oil, the coriander, the garlic, the red chili flakes, the salt, and the cumin. Whisk the marinade ingredients together to combine. Pour half of the marinade into a small bowl and reserve in the fridge to use for the salad dressing. Add the chicken thighs and poke with a knife. Mix well to combine all the spices with the chicken. Cover and reserve in the fridge for a minimum 2 hours. For the salad, you will need 2 avocados cut in slices, 1 red onion cut in slices, 1 red pepper cut in slices, some lettuce leaves, some cherry tomato cut in half, some feta cheese diced, and half a cucumber cut in slices. In a grilled pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the red pepper and fry until grilled. Add a little bit of salt and a little bit of black pepper. Add the red onion and grill as well. Then remove when fully grilled. In the same pan, add the chicken thighs and grill on both sides until golden color. Remove from the pan when fully cooked. Don't overcook the chicken or it will be too dry. Let the chicken rest on the side while you assemble the salad. Slice the chicken into strips. Lay the chopped salad on a large plate. Add the grilled red pepper, the grilled red onion, the avocado slices, the cucumber, the cherry tomatoes, the feta cheese, and the chicken stripes. And finish by drizzling the salad with the remaining marinade dressing that we reserved. Et voilà, the Mexican fajita salad is ready to serve. I highly recommend this salad. You won't be disappointed as it's delicious and the chicken is so tender and juicy. It's a meal in itself packed with flavors. Bon appétit! If you like the video, like and share with your family and friends, and before you leave, click on the subscribe button if you haven't done it yet. It's completely free. Hit the bell to receive notification and leave me a comment about the video or what you would like me to cook in the next video. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time with a new recipe.